you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a really deep declutter and organizing project, and that is my linen closet. I have a few closets in this house that are insane right now. They are absolutely completely disorganized. There's stuff everywhere. They are a nightmare, and I am going to be slowly starting to reorganize and declutter them, starting with this linen closet. So let me turn around and show you what we're working with here. And it is embarrassing. It is terrible. Let me turn around.
Okay, so this linen closet is right in the end of our hallway, and it is the catch-all for everything. So I've got extra pairs of sheets in here. I've got extra everything in here. I've got towels, I've got humidifiers, cleaning products, anything extra that I buy, like extra lotions, extra bath and body products, all that sort of stuff. It all ends up here, and it usually just ends up getting shoved in here, so it's a complete mess. I've got extra curtains in there. Like, why is that in there? It doesn't even make sense. So I definitely need to organize and get rid of a bunch of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking absolutely everything out of the closet, and I'm just going to put it in my bedroom, mostly on my bed, and that way I can see everything that I have, and I can kind of go through and decide what I need and what I can give away or throw in the garbage, because I'm sure some of this stuff is expired. I have, like, my mom is always giving me extra stuff, like extra body lotions and all that kind of thing too. So I have so much of it, and a lot of it probably is expired because I've had it for a long time. So I'm just going to go through, lay it all out, and then I'm going to get a box for stuff that I'm going to be able to give away, stuff that's still good but that I just don't need or want anymore. And I'm going to get a garbage bag as well for anything that's expired or that I don't think anybody will particularly want. So that is the plan. I'm going to go through, and then I'm going to start organizing everything into different categories and just trying to make it make more sense in this closet.
My hands are tied, and you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable while you're unstoppable. Some big black clouds, the unavoidable is raining down. I'm fading now into an endless hole. When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. I was so lost, like a vagabond with no home, moving on into the wilderness of my emptiness. I let go faith while the time was running out for me. There's no escape from the mess I made. But when you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
So now I'm just going to go through and try and organize this as best as I can, all the items that I want to keep, and I'm trying to put like items with like items into these smaller little containers that I've picked up from the dollar store. So you're going to see me kind of go back and forth on what sizes to use and which ones to put where, but it's all trial and error, and then once I have them all organized, then I'll be able to fit them back into the closet much easier and much more organized.
I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. knows what you think about me. And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. The best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me, around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now. Okay. Right, so 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. 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 Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Okay, you guys, so this is the end results. Much more organized. I'm going to go through and show you everything and where its home is. So, of course, up here we've got towels. And then on this second shelf, we've got some face towels and hand towels. And then I just got these little
organizers from the Dollar Tree, and I just put, these are extra bars of soap in here, and then extra feminine products, of course. And then back here in this little organizer, just a bunch of these Kleenexes. We go through so many of them, so we've got some Thomas ones, some Peppa Pig ones, and then back in here is this bin that is full of hair care products. So I'm not going to take everything out, but there's extra shampoos and conditioners and hair masks and all that kind of stuff in there. That is full. And then down on this shelf, got some extra toothpaste, cotton swabs. This is just extra any sort of hygiene products, really. So I've got like some extra face lotions and stuff like that here. And then I've got like some extra body wash and razors and one of those bath poof things, a couple of extra toothbrushes, all that sort of stuff. This one is all lotion. Like, I have a problem. So all different kinds of lotion, but at least now it's all organized all in one bin. And then I have some body sprays, all different scents. Down here is kind of more of like the pampering corner. So I have my paraffin wax in here, and then I've got a foot spa there with all different sort of, this is all different kind of foot spa things. And then I've got a facial sauna there, and then that is the stuff that goes with my paraffin waxer. And then here is where I will store my extra hand soaps. And then just down here is just a little storage area for extra cleaning supplies. Got my vacuum attachments in there, and then I've got a couple of humidifiers stored here. And now this is the box that is of stuff that's going to be thrown in the garbage, and this is the box of stuff to give away. I'm going to probably take this to my mom's and she'll sort through it and see if she wants any of it. And so that's quite a big box of stuff that I no longer needed in there. And then this stuff is all like baby stuff. Like there's like nursing pads in there and lanolin cream and stuff like that. And then I have a bunch left over here in this bag. This is all like house baby proofing stuff. So I'm going to put this all together in a bag, and I'm just going to find another home for it. I'll probably just store it in my son's room for now, because we do eventually plan on having another baby, so I don't want to give that stuff away because we probably will still need it. But I'm just going to store it in a different spot. It doesn't need to be in my linen closet. Well, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you got a little bit of organization and decluttering inspiration from me, and hopefully you never let your linen closet get as bad as mine was, but now it's pretty. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!